model, 67 plate Ford Transit Custom starts runs needs turbo repair Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 152,414. MOT, the 20th of October 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward turbo replacement job. Engine gearbox are fantastic. Nice clean well-maintained van. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, 2 keys, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, Rhino roof rack.